Hi, I'm Lindsay Black with Kids First Education. Welcome to ELA in a Flash. Today, we are going to take a look at RL 4.1. Refer to details and examples in a text when explaining what the text says explicitly and when drawing inferences from the text. Let's take a look at the important words in this standard. With RL 4.1, we are to refer to details and examples in a text when drawing inferences. Our goal for this standard, I can infer and draw conclusions using details and examples from the text. So what is an inference? A reader makes inferences to help make sense of the text. Inferences are not explicitly stated. The reader can find clues in the text to understand what the author is not directly stating. So when we speak of inferences are not explicitly stated, that means the author does not come out and directly tell us what it is he's trying to say. So we have to find clues in the text to understand what the author is trying to say. Let's take a look at this picture. We can infer these children have just won a baseball game. Now, why can I make that inference? How do I make that inference? First of all, I notice these children are wearing baseball uniforms. This looks like a baseball cap, and I know this is a baseball glove. I also see the trophy that is on the table, as well as the pizza. And something I know from my prior knowledge is that often when children win baseball games, their coach will take them out for pizza to celebrate. Because of all of these details in this picture, I am able to infer these children just won a baseball game. Let's take a look at a text. Harold grunted as he walked into the house. He carried 4 paper bags in his arms, each one filled to the brim. Suddenly, he tripped, and one of the bags fell, spilling oranges, a loaf of bread, and 2 sticks of butter onto the floor. "At least I didn't drop the eggs," he exclaimed. Can we infer where Harold has been? Absolutely. First, we're going to look at the details from the text. The first thing I notice is that he carried bags, and those bags were filled to the brim. The second clue I notice is that inside those bags were oranges, bread, and butter. Lastly, I see that Harold says, "At least I didn't drop the eggs." And what I know is that grocery stores have oranges, bread, butter, and eggs. Therefore, I can make the inference that Harold has been to the grocery store. Let's try another one. Lucy sighed happily as she curled into a ball and licked her fur. After a long afternoon of lying in the sun, she was happy to be snuggled upon her soft bed. She purred contently as she closed her eyes, ready for a nap. Suddenly, she heard a buzzing noise. Her eyes snapped open and her ears twitched. She spotted a fly landing nearby. Lucy watched it carefully for a moment and then, pounce, she caught it. Can we infer who Lucy is, even though the author of this text doesn't tell us who she is? Absolutely. I can infer that Lucy is a pet cat. Now, how did I know that Lucy was a cat? First of all, I noticed that she's curled into a ball and licked her fur. My prior knowledge tells me that cats like to curl into balls, and they also lick their fur when they're taking a bath. I also noticed that the text said that Lucy purred contently. The only animal I know that purrs is a cat. Then she caught a fly. I know that cats like to chase insects. Therefore, I could infer that Lucy is a pet cat. Again, this was RL 4.1. Refer to details and examples in a text when explaining what the text says explicitly and when drawing inferences from the text. Remember that a reader makes inferences to make sense of the text. Inferences are not explicitly stated, and the reader can find clues in the text to understand what the author is not directly stating. This has been ELA in a Flash. For more ELA in a Flash videos, visit our website at kidsfirst.llc.